Hello, my name is Ant and you're watching Survive the Night, and in this episode we're out in the beautiful Lake District National Park.
This could be the very last camp in the Bobcat. Recording winds up to now a 32-mile-an-hour gust. Bit of an issue. It's absolutely waterlogged the time where we were going to go to. So we have made an executive decision and come down to Blackbeck Tarn. That's not a bad pitch up, is it? Granted, it ain't straight. It's far from straight. I'm hoping I'm going to have a decent night's kip in it.